What's going on, everybody? This is Mark Daves. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this content if this is something that you're into and something that you enjoy. Today, what we have is the Ultra Hybrid from Spigen for the not the 12 Pro Max. I'm in last year, the 13 Pro Max. I'm just gonna quickly unbox this, show you what it looks like. I don't remember exactly what I paid for this one, but I'll leave a link down in the description. Don't think it was any more than 15 to 20 bucks. But this is gonna be a really quick video. Should not take long at all to unbox this. Got Spigen in the building. One of my favorite companies when it comes to cases. Let's see what we got here. Clear case. Yo, Spigen, y'all, this is dirty packaging. Y'all gotta do better than this. Come on, man. Inside the box is dirty. What's happening? Better not be none on my case, so you're getting a return. All right, man. Let's see how we looking on the inside. That hard shell finish. These cases get yellow after a while, so be prepared to buy more than one if you're gonna use this as your daily. The main way to keep these from being yellow, honestly, is don't take them out every day. And that little bag I just threw down, try to keep it in, but I'm gonna ride this out every single day, so be prepared to replace this after probably a couple months. And that's the same with almost every clear case, they get yellow. So go ahead and remove this sticker here. Slap it in there real fast. See what we're dealing with. Something already in the case. Come on, man. How does this happen? I just took the plastic off. How did it get in there? That's how fast it be trying to get in there. Had me looking crazy on the channel. All right, let's try this again. Let's slap it back in there and see. Buttons working just fine. Whoa, don't want to do that. Definitely don't want to do that. Okay, let's try this again. Buttons working just fine. Perfect. No complaints. I love that icy blue look from the Sierra Blue. This is great. I'm very pleased with this. Again, like I said, look at this, something else in there. Under my skin, bro. Totally under my skin, bro. Way under my skin. Icy blue look. Looks good to me. Something else in there. Look at this. Yo, what is going on today? Spigen, yo. What y'all got going on, yo? Why y'all stuff coming dirty? What y'all got going on? Let's try this again. All right, here we go. Okay, now, looking good. I'm like really heavyweight salty right now. Not lightweight, but heavyweight salty. What is going on in here? That gets under my skin, bro. What is this stuff? Where does it even come from? All right. Yo. Hey, yo. I'm salty. What is going on right now? What is happening to me? What y'all got going on? Okay, that's it. I'm done. Ultra Hybrid case by Spigen. Buttons are good. Cutouts are good. Everything is good. No complaints there as far as the quality and the buttons and the cutouts. Everything looks great. So just a quick unboxing here. I am done. This is Mark Days signing out. Again, Spigen Ultra Hybrid for the 13 Pro Max. I will be leaving a link down in the description that you can use to purchase this case. God bless you all. Peace be unto you.